living and a working for a living. That's the way to cut that tree down. Yes, good job. Clearing Santa Cruz Mountains. Cutting saw, cutting away. Woo! Good job, guys. Looking good. Yeah, baby. Here we go, Francis, Ron, everybody. Silky big boy right here.
Hey guys.
Good job, guys. Look at that. We're cutting through this like nothing, like butter. Woo! That's a big piece of wood. It's a beautiful log, man. If anybody came out here, $1,000 piece of wood right here. It's beautiful, nice and straight, and very long. All right, this is the tree that took out a couple other trees, but it's a pretty darn big, long tree. We just cleared a good little passageway at least to get around the tracks, get closer to the tracks and around through here, instead of trying to go over this thing. This is it. You're gonna go back and around? You're gonna go back? Oh, okay. Here we go. Santa Cruz, Tuesday night in the Redwoods, Henry County. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, over the lights. Huh? I hope so. I'm not looking back. I'm following you, buddy. When I look back, I'll lose my balance, fall over, or do something stupid.
Remember where that trail is. I know it kind of from the other direction.
This is it. Yay, we found a tree down. Woohoo! K-E-R-S. sunset, still cutting away on some trees that are in the trail route. Headhunters. We've cleaned away a lot of this trail. Beautiful trail.